Hey there guys, welcome back to its Style channel. Today, we are diving into the world of skincare specifically tailored for men. That's right, fellas. It's time to get clear and glowing skin. And I've got a simple and effective skincare routine to help you achieve just that. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Step 1 is cleansing. It's the foundation of any good skincare routine. Start your day by washing your face with a gentle cleanser. This removes dirt, excess oil, and any impurities that may have built up overnight. Make sure it's a product suited for your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or sensitive. Step 2, exfoliation. This is the secret to removing dead skin cells and revealing that healthy glow. Use a scrub or exfoliating product 2 or 3 times a week. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions to eliminate pores and promote cell turnover. Remember, don't overdo it. Exfoliating to often can irritate your skin. Step 3, moisturizing. No matter your skin type, after cleansing or exfoliating, apply a good moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. It prevents dryness, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and maintains your skin's natural barrier. Look for a product with SPF-rated sun protection. Step 4, sunscreen. Never underestimate the power of UV protection. Sunscreen is essential, even on cloudy days. Apply a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. It's your best defense against premature aging and skin damage. Step 5, nighttime routine. Don't forget to pamper your skin before bed. At night, repeat the cleansing step to remove the day's grime. Then consider adding a serum or anti-aging product tailored to your needs. A good night's rest and skincare routine go hand in hand for a fresh complexion. So there you have it, guys. A straightforward skincare routine to get you on the path to clear and glowing skin. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to this routine, and you will notice positive changes in no time. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more grooming and skincare advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video right here on It's Style. Hey, handsome.